Okay, so today we'll be opening up this used and new Toyota oil filter. This factory installed made in Japan used oil filter is number 90915100009. And we'll do a comparison to this new Toyota oil filter that's made in Thailand, number 90915YZZN1. And I got this used and new Toyota oil filter from a very generous viewer whose name is Jeff from Lancaster, Pennsylvania. Thanks, Jeff. This made in Japan Toyota oil filter was in service for 906 miles and came off of Jeff's 2025 Toyota Rav4 XLE. Yep, the one with a 2.5 liter engine. This was the vehicle's first oil change. He was using factory-filled oil, which is probably the recommended 0W16 oil. So let's get started.
You gotta glue the silicone, get nice and tight, get your inner here, filtration.
Okay, before we open this filter up, let's take a quick look at it. Day code 576415. Okay, we got Toyota here, oil filter, filter number, Denso, made in Japan. This is all printed on. And you have some instructions here also. Installation instructions, okay. This filter has 8 inlet holes. They're like slits. You can see the silicone anti-drain back valve, metal core with holes, bypass valve with dome end, 3 groove zipper threads, and this nitro rubber P-style O-ring gasket. And I'll put the thickness of this gasket up on the screen. Looks like a normal size gasket. Okay, let's open this filter up. Okay, not too much oil, that's good. Well, it's good for me, but yeah, let's hold in it back. You can see it there. Yeah. So let's take a look at this anti-drain back valve. Yeah, it's silicone. Yeah, it looks good. No slits, no tears. Nice and springy. Holds the shape nice. Yeah, it's good. Hides those inlet holes. Okay, let's see. Well, the center core is coming right out. Okay. Now you can see the holes here. Nice smooth holes. Put that back in there. It's getting caught there, I don't know why, but I'll leave it right there. I'll put the number of pleats up on the screen. Let's see. Oh, looks good. You see some, it's like yellow stuff. But I don't see no tears or anything. No slits, rips or nothing. Yeah, it all looks good. These Toyota filters really, they're not known for the micron rating. It's got like 50% at 20 microns. And I don't know what the filter media is made out of. They keep that secret. See, look at it. Looks like some kind of, it's like a yellowish stuff in there. See it? Yeah, quite a bit of it. Huh. Well, this is the first oil change. So I'll have to squeeze that out and stretch it out and see what that looks like, what that is. Okay. Bypass valve. Now, I don't know what the setting is on this. Can. we'll get the other filter. This is, I opened it up. We'll compare it to this one. These are dealer filters. You can buy these all over the place. But you got the O-ring gasket. Put the thickness of this gasket up on the screen. Same base plates. The only difference here I see is silicone A drain back valve, and I don't see one on this one. And this is made in Thailand. Right there, made in Thailand. And it also says Denso. And this one has, I know how many pleats this one has because I opened it up and counted them. This one has 45 pleats. And it's got the same type of bypass valve. Same thing. Yeah, those are identical. And the cans, I'll put the measurements of these cans up on the screen. And they feel about the same thickness. Yeah, both nice thick cans. Okay, so let's get the width of these filters. So we'll get the, okay, here's the used filter. 1.9, let's call that 1.98. 1.98 inches wide. And the new one is, well, 1.9, we'll call that 1.93 inches wide. Okay. All right, well, let me cut these two filters open, stretch them out, and see what they look like. See what they look like under a microscope. Be right back. Okay, here they are, both stretched out. And the used Toyota filter is 76.25 inches long. And the new or unused Toyota filter is 54 inches long. Okay, let's get the thickness of this filter media. The used filter is 0.73 millimeters thick. And the new filter is 0.88 millimeters thick. Okay. So here's the filtering side, the back side. And if we take a look at these guys under a microscope, the used filter, the one from the factory filter, looks like it would do a worse job filtering. Actually, it's got a lot of light spots. It looks like this newer filter would do a better job of filtering, the ones you can get from the dealer. And also, you can't see it on here, but I got a little picture of a carbon or soot particle from this filter, this sample right here. So let's take a look at that microscope picture. So as you can see, it looks like the factory filter would do a worse job of filtering, but you get about 46 more square inches of filter media with the factory filter. Now let's take a look at these filters up close. So this one here, let's see, mostly want to look at the used one. There was some little sparklies I seen in here, and there's actually some yellow spots too. Let's see if we get any of these sparklies. Okay, nothing there. There's one here, I think. Nothing. Oh. And there's little tiny yellow spots. Yeah, these are all like little yellow spots. That's all they are. Let's see what else we got over here. Got one here. It's a yellow spot. Yeah, they're all yellow spots. Really no sparklies here, they're just yellow spots. I'm wondering if that's silicone. Maybe some of you Toyota owners would know if they use silicone when they're putting the engines together. Maybe they're using a yellow silicone, I don't know. But that's what it looks like. And I took a picture of one, a microscope picture of one. And I'll show that at the end of the video. But otherwise it looks pretty clean as far as, you know, as far as carbon goes. You see, I saw a sparkly over here somewhere. There's a couple of small ones. They're really dinky in there, but because you can see it kind of like sparkle a little bit. All right, let's take a look at the rest of the filter. So I might do a burn test on these anti-drain back valves. I don't know yet. I don't know if I've done one on one of these kind of filters or not. I have to go look that up and see if I've done one. I haven't looked it up, so I don't know. But if I haven't, I'll do a burn test on that. And we got the center cores here. Nice smooth holes. Those are fine. So we went over all these components. These are just what I cut off. And the cans. So obviously this one's gonna be nice and clean, but this one's pretty clean also. See, you can see the yellow in there. See that? Look, see all the yellow spots? And they're soft. They're not. See that? It's almost like it's a silicone or a paint or something. I don't know. What do you guys think these things are? It's up close right there. Yeah, it's not hard or anything. Alright. So again, I want to thank Jeff for sending me these two oil filters. And I think I'll wrap this video up. And don't forget, Oil Filter Fridays. I try to open up an oil filter every Friday on this YouTube channel. So if you like this video, please hit that like button. Thanks for watching and take care.